Hello guys, welcome to today's demonstration. Today we will be cloning Cardano Node from the Cardano Node repository, checking out the latest version and building it using Nix Package Manager. To download the latest version, go to github.com/mbo/Cardano Node. Navigate to the tags, releases, and scroll down until you find the latest release. In this instance, the latest release of Cardano Node is 10.4.1. Okay, great. So once I located the latest version of Cardano Node, I want to clone the repository to my local system. In this case, my local system is Ubuntu. I need to copy the root URL, go to my local system and type git clone and then paste in the URL. In this case, this instance of Ubuntu is a fresh install, so Git hasn't been installed. To install Git on Ubuntu, simply type sudo apt install Git. Type in your administrator password, select yes, and Git will be installed on the local system. Once the installation has completed successfully, type the command again, git clone, and then paste in the root URL of the Cardano Node repository. This begins the clone process. Please be patient. Great. That's completed successfully. Next, we want to do an ls and verify that the Cardano Node repository has been cloned successfully. Here I can see Cardano Node folder in my home directory. Next, I want to cd into the Cardano Node directory and do an ls there. Next, I want to check out the latest version of Cardano. We already confirmed that 10.4.1 is the latest version of Cardano. So to check this version out, we type git checkout tags 10.4.1. To verify what version of Cardano Node has been checked out, I can type in git status. As you can see, it says head detached at 10.4.1. This verifies that we are using the correct version of Cardano Node, which is the latest one, 10.4.1. Okay, great. So once we verified we have the latest version of Cardano Node checked out successfully, we need to go to the Cardano Node Wiki page for instructions on how to build Cardano Node using Nix. I will leave the link to the wiki page in the description below. Okay, once we've located the Cardano Node Wiki page and the instructions to build Cardano Node using Nix Package Manager, we need to copy and paste the command to install Nix on our local system. So this command downloads Nix, installs it, and gets it ready for use on our system. Once Nix has installed successfully on our local system, we need to copy this command and paste it into our terminal. Then hit enter. We can verify that Nix has been installed successfully by typing nix --version. Next, we need to go back to the Cardano Node Wiki page, locate the next command in the sequence of commands that we need to run, copy it, go back to our terminal, and paste it in there. Hit enter, type in the sudo password, hit enter, and that is completed successfully. Next, we go back to the Cardano Wiki page again, find the next command in the sequence of commands that we need to run, copy it, go back to our terminal, and paste it in there. Hit enter, and that's completed successfully. Next, we need to go back to the Cardano Wiki page again and locate the next step that we need to run. In this instance, the next step we need to run is the nix build command. This is the nix build command here. Copy that, go back to our terminal, cd into our Cardano Node directory, do a git status there, and verify we're on the correct version, and then paste the nix build command in there. Hit enter, select yes, select yes, select yes, select yes, and this will begin the nix build process. Please be patient while this completes. Okay, great. Once the Nix package manager has built Cardano Node successfully, we can do an ls in the Cardano Node directory and verify that a new folder has been created in there called mainnet-node-local. If we cd into mainnet-node-local folder, do an ls there, we can see that there's a bin directory in there. If we cd into the bin directory and do an ls in there, we can see that a new executable has been created called Cardano-Node-mainnet. We can run that executable by typing // and then the name of the executable. As you can see, this is complaining about permission denied, so I will need to run this as sudo user. Enter in password, hit enter, and this starts up Cardano Node on mainnet. A good way to verify that the sync is working successfully is by seeing this chain extended new tip stamped in the logs. Congratulations, you have just built Cardano Node using Nick's package manager and ran a node connected to mainnet.